Okay.
Schmidt Head Adventures!
Woo! Okay, yeah, I see you there. Yeah, thanks for watching the videos, by the way, and make sure to like and subscribe to Schmidt Head Adventures. Bye! Bye!
Cool's this? So we came here, how long ago did we come here? Was it like 9 months ago? Something like that?
No, it was pretty recent after the floods.
Was
Would
it?
have been like 2020.
JD, look!
Oh, no, the floods were 21. March 21.
Well, my time.
Oh, anyway, we came here like a year after the big floods at the mid-north coast and Port and stuff. Well, most of the east coast had, but Port in particular. And this was all like mud and trees, like all the way down. And we got told that it was open, so we've come here because Bird Tree's got some really cool trees and a lookout. But you can't drive through here at the moment.
Doing a good job though.
We've done a good job. I can't believe how hectic the landslide was.
Yeah. How big is that? Do you reckon it's like
I slid down there, Daddy.
a kilometre or something?
Daddy, I slid down there.
Did ya?
Yeah. Probably about a K, yeah, from the top to the bottom. Yeah, we've done a good job. It's wild.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh. 3, 2, 1. I wonder what that is. That must be like an old, what? That wooden path. It almost looks like a...
No, you can base jump from that.
What's a base jump?
What do you call it? Where they hang glide or whatever?
Oh yeah.
Daddy, careful.
Don't go on the wooden part.
That's cool down here. I feel safer when I'm crawling. Seriously, Elodie, it feels much safer when you're crawling.
Okay, what's that? Like a little quarry down there or something?
What do you piece of bag?
Yeah, there's a quarry down there.
Oh, that's a tower rat. That one.
I can't see it. I can't.
Yeah, that's the one where we're just at. So we're just at that one. So this is one of those spots where Pacific Motorway is like down there. And we always see this tower that's up behind me from there. We're like, oh, I wonder if you can get up there, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we made it.
We made it.
We made it.
Look at that was all
Just gonna get some radiation into us.
Koi. Look at the highway. Look at the highway. Can you? You have to go.
It's Crowdy Head out there.
How does it go? Look, there's a river and ponds. There's so many ponds.
And that's, is that Middle Brother or which Brother Mountain's that?
Wait,
Little
what?
Brother or Middle Brother?
This is middle, isn't it? So that's little.
That must be Little Brother, and then we're on Middle Brother, and then there's North Brother or something?
Wait, this is the Three Brother Mountains.
Yeah, bud.
What?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Only boys are allowed on these.
Oh, what? No way. Well, then what are you doing here?
Story told us.
He's better go. Off his go.
Okay, later, Dad. I'm hiding Brent's pants then.
Uh,
That's
munchkins.
disguise, and I'll hide in your pants, and then I'll do.
Go for a walk, eh?
Do not. What's that sign say?
Do not something beyond this point due to danger of falling trees.
Who cares?
I can't even get my hands the whole width of it.
Oh my god.
Let's see how much people it takes to go around. Daddy, join in. Come on.
Probably going to happen.
You need me?
Am I getting around?
Have you got my hand?
Nah.
I'll try to do that.
Nah.
I'll try.
Not even close.
I'll try. Daddy! Tickle down.
Got my hand?
Yeah,
Have you got
I got
JD's
it.
hand?
Yeah, I got JD's.
So it's 5 people.
5 people.
All of us.
5 of us. To hug that.
And then 2
Tree huggers.
You can go.
So Daddy, which way is it? Yes, I want to climb it. The kids can't climb it because they're too far up.
I can't believe it takes all 5 of us to wrap our hands around it. It's pretty wild. Look at that giant one. It's there.
What one?
Oh, look at the base of that.
Oh my god!
Did you leave Fugler in the car?
Yeah,
I got my fucking.
Oh my
Oh my god, look.
god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that.
Yeah, I got a photo of you and
That'll take more than
Schmady
5
standing on
people
that
to
bit.
wrap around. That'll take way more than 5 people to wrap around.
Yeah.
You should set up a little time lapse or something of us all climbing on it or something.
Oh, we have it up there. Look at that. I feel like it's gonna fall, Dad.
Oh my god.
Elodie, go this way. It's bigger. Now, so we get hardest through there. Look at this.
Jesus.
It's a big tent. Mom, you can come in. Look up.
It's really hard to get the scale of this tree, but you disappear when you go inside it. Look at this.
Okay. If you put the
Oh, it doesn't do any echo.
Yeah, you have to. Oh, what? I would live here. I wouldn't live here for the night. I'll live here.
It's like a bat cave, like Batman.
In the back cage.
How cool is this?
we were in the wild and we were doing a survival video, this would be our house.
It's had like a fire up in here. Oh my god.
Babe, take him there too, buddy. I'll get one of all you guys.
Phew.
Spider Tay. Spider Tay. Nah,
That is amazing.
Wild tree. It's called Bird Tree. Lots of birds play in it.
Really?
pretty sure something might live in that hole.
How old do you reckon the tree is?
18 years old.
18.
No, I meant
Elodie.
3,000.
Maybe 3,000.
It's a big hole.
A boo!
It's scary.
Yeah, echoed, eh?
Look at you. Spider eats. Spider eats.
Damn!
That's pretty high.
Feel the chain to my Tarzan.
Oh! Jesus.
Go use Louise.
Here you go.